Need to put some finishing touches in here. Had to JB weld up this crack in the intake, you know. We're balling on a budget, so, you know, Sharpie's gonna have to do. But, you know, from 10 feet, you'll never know. And more exciting news, we got the 92 millimeter throttle body mounted, clutch mounted, new slave cylinder on the tranny. Harmonic balancer. I'm gonna disassemble this alternator and put the housing on this alternator so it'll work with the Gen 3 harness. And after that, it's pretty much ready to go in the truck. Exciting.